Okay, so this will show you how to complete the varying interest rate schedule, and we're going to use the what if analysis and use the data table to do that. Uh, Before we proceed, we need to actually enter the information for the monthly payments, total interest, and total cost from the mortgage payment calculator. So the monthly payments are going to be F6. So I'm just going to type equals F6. Total interest is located in F7. So equals F7. And total cost is in the cell F8. All right. So in here we need to show the rate, this which is applicable for these type of payments. So it's going to be located in F4. F4. Okay. And now what we're going to do is just select the entire information here and go to what if analysis, data table. Now we are going to use this for the column input cell because we're going to fill in these columns. So I'm going to type in the number that indicates the rate. So this is the fixed number that is going to be applied for this row, and this is going to be for the column input cell. Okay, and I'm going to click OK, and this automatically populates all the data for the varying interest rate schedule.